I must not have read the manual for the e-bike kit. I just learned this red button is cruise control. I'm going to show you now. Hear that guy spinning? And I gotta hit that red button to keep it spinning. Watch. Oh. Oh no, I actually have to hold both. Hitting with this hand. That's why I've been crashing. Get out. No one's holding the handlebars. The throttle's over here. Non-throttle. Watch as I press. Ready? Ready? Try and get both. Watch, watch. Get out. It's always the red. Just found it. Much respect to Golden Motor. It actually says cruise here. They've labeled it. It says cruise. So I'm just gonna disconnect that. I think I've gotten into a few accidents, not realizing I was hitting that red button, and that's why I wasn't slowing down. Cruise control means until you hit that red button, it does not stop cruising. Are we on here? All right, it's not showing clearly, but I made like some marks. This, there we go. It's clearing up, clearing up. Get clear, sir. There we go. So I made some marks on the handlebar. I'm gonna call that gear 1, gear 2, gear 3. The only thing is, in between these, there are other gears. So I'd have to be very meticulous about the marking. But I know gear 3 is the highest gear, so I know not to cross that one, or to get close to it. This is, I'm guessing, at least 20 miles per hour. With me on it, might range from 19 to 22. Yeah, depending on the area and blah, blah, blah. I don't build these things. I just put them together. So I'm guessing it could go from 18 to 22 miles per hour with me on it, because this thing starts to zip with me on it. If it's flat land, or whatever is the correct term. So I know to stay around here now, if I do ride it. This is very slow, this is very leisurely. This might, I'd say maybe 2 times the speed of walking, unless you're a speed walker. So I have it marked, took off cruise control. Let's see if I could be safe and have no more crashes.